I'm Amy Alexander with Polka Dot Sheep. Today I'd like to show you how to create a crocheted provisional cast on. Using a strand of waste yarn, make a slip knot. Go ahead and chain 3, maybe 4 stitches. And now we're ready to begin casting on. You want to place your knitting needle on top of the strand coming from your chain. With your crochet hook, go ahead and chain 1 stitch as if the knitting needle were not there. Bring your yarn back, chain 1, yarn back, chain 1. You can see I now have 4 stitches cast on. Continue in this manner until you have the number of cast on stitches designated by your pattern. Once you do, I'm going to put a little chain on the end here. On the last one, you do not need to bring your yarn back. You keep it forward and go ahead and chain 1 or 2. You can then cut your yarn and draw the strand through the last chain. You don't want to pull this strand tight because when you're all through with your knitting and you're ready to unravel, you're just going to grab that strand, pull the tail through the last chain, and unravel your cast on. Thank you. If you like this video, please hit like and click the subscribe button. Thanks.